What does it take to turn a bold robotics idea into a real scalable company? Not just the talent, not just funding, but the right environment, the right design, and the right people. Welcome to the Scale program at the Robotics Factory in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Too many founders hit the same wall. You have the technology, you have the vision, but scaling hardware or robotics is hard. Prototyping is tricky, manufacturing is expensive, finding the right partner is tough, and building everything alone slows you down. The Scale program exists to remove those barriers. Scale is a choose-your-own-adventure program designed for robotics and hardware founders at any stage who are ready to take their idea to the next level of scale. This is not a classroom or an accelerator. It is a tool for you to grow your business. So, who should apply to the Scale program?
If your team is building robotics, hardware, or industrial technology, and you're taking the next steps, whether that be out of the lab or into low-volume production, this program is built for you. Scale meets you where you are and helps you grow from there. Our goal is to help founders help themselves. In the Scale Shop, we teach teams to use the tools they need with hands-on guidance instead of endless online searching. And when it doesn't make sense for you to learn everything, we can step in and help directly. When your team is ready, we connect them to additional resources so progress never stalls.
No single space can solve every hardware challenge. That is why Scale is built on connections. Beyond our in-house expertise, we tap into our strong network of other hardware startups, local manufacturers, and industry partners. By helping companies find and vet the right manufacturing partners, we can better prepare them to scale based on their unique goals, constraints, and timelines. Today, Pittsburgh is one of the most important robotics hubs in the world. World-class research, deep industrial roots, and a growing community of founders pushing the future of automation, AI, and advanced manufacturing. Scale connects you directly into that ecosystem.
This is where ideas become designs, designs become prototypes, and prototypes become products. This is where founders scale together. If you're ready to build the future of robotics, Scale is ready for you.